Beautiful Miu Miu Classic 1200.
1200.
Beautiful.
Look at this one.
Oh my gosh.
It looks very vintage.
Croc
But
emboss vintage. They're usually loud. Now they have this vintage
usual,
looking.
yes.
Why?
Well,
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Zona. I share videos about fashion, shopping, lifestyle vlogs where I go for my vacation and a lot of vlogs. So I hope you subscribe and keep watching because I'm gonna show a very special bag today that I got from Valentines. I also have two other items that I got from Valentines that I'm gonna do another unboxing videos on. I tried to separate each of them, that way I could make the video shorter. And I just want to experience this moment and share with you as I unbox the items that I got. So I hope you stay tuned because this is gonna be quick and fast and very informative. If you like this bag, I think this could help you make your decision. Also, I have other unboxing videos that I just completed recently and I have the links down below. I went to Paris for my 40th birthday, so I hope if you're interested, you could check my channel and the links below and watch them. And if you have any questions, always feel free to ask me at the comment section. All right, so let's begin. Oh my gosh, look at this big box right here. I'm very excited. This bag was presented to me by my personal shopper in Nordstrom, and as soon as I saw it, I was just so in love. I have been buying black bags recently. I've been doing a lot of conservative shopping with bags. Black is always a safe color when you're buying expensive bags, so I have been doing that lately, but I thought maybe this time I would change up. For my Valentine's gift, I was so in love when I first saw the bag in this color. I just decided, oh, I have to get this bag. And also this is Ariana Grande's bag. So she's the face of Givenchy, and I just really adore her. And I just thought maybe I could rock it like Ariana Grande. You know, I'm 40 now, but I still feel young, and I've never felt so good in my life with my health, and I'm so thankful. So I thought maybe I should get myself a more youthful bag. So it comes with this white dust bag that seems really nicely stitched, durable looking, and really good to have to store your bag. And it comes with the price tag, and this is from Nordstrom, so I got it for 2,150 is the price. And right now this color is out of stock. I don't know, it's been very popular. I guess a lot of Nordstrom buyers just want to get one for themselves because the color is just very stunning. Let me reveal this cutie right now. I just can't wait. I'm so excited, and I hope you like them too. I know Givenchy is very popular with Antigona, and I really haven't watched any videos regarding this bag. This one is a classic. They have released this bag probably a decade ago, and it's one of those classic Givenchy style. And I think that it's good to have in my collection. Here she is. Look at her. Isn't she adorable? It's so edgy. I love the color. I just love how it looks. It looks so edgy, but yet it has the classic atmosphere to it. So beautiful. And I love this shoulder strap that just hangs like this freely on the side. So this is the small Eden bag in lambskin leather. The weight of this bag is about 1.7 pounds, so it's not that heavy. And also the length of this from here to here is about 7.5 inches, and the height is about 7 inches, and the diameter is about 2.5 inch. So oh my god, I'm in love again, and I always really gravitate to more like an edgy look, young look. I'm just really comfortable wearing a somewhat edgy outfit that makes me look younger. It's just more fun. Oh my god, this bag is a cutie. So cute. First impression of this bag is just, I fell in love as soon as I saw it, as soon as I laid my eyes on it. It was just so nice. I love the square. I love the edges here, how it's cut like a diamond on the side. It has this meticulous top stitching with a clean line structure of the lambskin leather. So this is made of a lambskin leather. However, they really feel durable. It is very well made, and I love the structure of the bag. I like that it is small, almost like a mini bag, and really beautiful. It has the double G hardware lock in here and a foiled logo embossed with Givenchy Paris. Oh my god, what an amazing purchase. Very lovely. It also has a back pocket where you could probably slip your cell phone or some cards, your keys. It's somewhat soft. It's not highly structured, like you could kind of squeeze it a little bit, but yeah, it's amazing. It's just so beautiful, so gorgeous. And I have this yellow stitching right here. All the colors just complement each other. The gold hardware, I love, love, love. And the double G right here. So I just really love it. It has a double G magnetic clasp closure right here. So let me take the stickers out. Oh wow, so pretty. So beautiful. As you can see, this is just really fresh off the box, and enjoying this moment with you. It's just really beautiful bags. Looks really nice, and I like how it opens so easy, and then you can just see everything inside here. So it has this eggplant leather interior. Really cool. It's all leather inside and out, and it has a little compartment for a card inside. I'm not sure if you could see that. And then there's also a bigger compartment right here. So it's quite roomy, I would say, for a small bag. I think you could fit a lot on this. And the shoulder strap is also adjustable. It drapes down to the side with a metal detail right here. And it comes with a ring right here to put your bag charm. Isn't she nice? It's so well made, very nice structure, so gorgeous, so stunning, so edgy and modern type of look, but yet it's still classic from Givenchy. Most of the Givenchy bags I notice are very well made and it looks durable, but I will definitely give you a review on this, and I'm also gonna do a separate video on how to style with different outfits on this one and what fits inside the bag. So I hope you will look out for that. Also, it has this adorable metal with double G embossed closure for adjusting the strap, and it's just so amazing. I have not really seen a bag with a little ring on the side to put your charm. So I think this is a real good idea to have it over here instead of like close to the bag, because at least it will show the beauty of the bag instead of having it in the front, since it's already really small. And I don't think it's really a good idea to put the bag charm like in front of the bag, because this is just so stunning, really beautiful bag. It's somewhat different from all my recent purchases, and I can't wait. I think this could be like an everyday work bag for me. I know the lambskin leather is just so substantial. It's quite thick and it feels really durable, and I like how smooth it is. It makes the bag really looks expensive and edgy, but still it has the subtle look. It doesn't scream a big logo, and that's kind of like my style. And that is it for my small Givenchy Eden bag. I am very excited to wear them. I can't wait, and I'm so happy to have it in my collection. It was such a really memorable purchase and gift for Valentine's on my 40th year. And it was such a wonderful Valentine's gift, and it's a very sentimental and memorable experience to be able to meet this bag and secure it for Valentine's. I hope you watch my 2 other videos that I prepared for the other 2 items that I got for Valentine's, as well as my other videos for my Paris haul. I did have a very good shopping experience, and all the items I have bought from Paris recently are just so stunning, so gorgeous. I love every single one of them. So I hope you subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos again. And to all my subscribers, I really thank you, and I really appreciate your subscription in my channel, and I hope I could get more videos to you. I will have a lot more travel vlogs, and then after the travel vlogs, I'm gonna be preparing videos regarding each bags, how to style them, my reviews on some of them. That is it. Have a good day, have a good life wherever you are. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you.